Well, the other day I went to hang up the solar panel and my little magnetic flexible clips broke. So I guess the sun got to them and just cracked and broke them. So I got to come up with a better solution than that. I think I've got one. I went looking around in the hardware store and I found this stuff. It's apparently used for plastic hanger strap, mostly around pipes, plumbing, that kind of thing. But I think it'll work for this. Let's get to it. Having the right tools to do a job really makes life easy. I really appreciate the tool set my son got me. So I can get the holes pretty close as they stand right now, and I think they're big enough for the screws to go right through them. So let's hope that's the case. Well, that didn't take long, and I like this a little better. I filed down the screws so they're nice and smooth, and they can tuck right underneath, and they're not going to do any harm to the solar panel. The magnets are what do the work. This strap is just making it flexible, and I think it'll be a lot more durable than this. This was just a old CD case or something. So the plastic in it is brittle and easily broken, where this is designed to flex and stay flexible. And it's good for UV light and heat, cold, all that kind of stuff. So I'm happy. I like the gray surface better. I don't think it stands out as much as this yellow. I didn't really care for the yellow. So I think that'll work out good. I also cleaned the solar panel while I had it out and about, and it's still doing a good job. As with everything, you got to check and make sure what you did works, and it looks like it's working out just fine. So that's it for now.